In today's video, I will be teaching you how to download and install VLC Media Player on Windows 10. This free-to-use application is capable of playing nearly all audio and video codecs available out there. VLC Player is not just a media player. It can be used as a video converter, screen recorder and for many other purposes. This video is for those Windows 10 users who don't know how to download and install programs on Windows. I will demonstrate all the procedure of downloading and installing the VLC Media Player. Though I am recording this video on a Windows 10 PC, but you can follow these instructions for Windows 7 and Windows 8 as well. Before you download VLC Media Player, you need to know about system type of your computer or laptop. To find out system type, click on the Start menu. Type in System Information. From Search Result, click on System Information to open it. Look for the system type to know about system type. As you can see, I have a 64-bit PC, and I need to download 64-bit installer of VLC Media Player. You need to download 32-bit installer if you see x86 or 32-bit based PC. After this step, go to VLC Media Player official website to download it. You may find the download link in the description below to download VLC Media Player. As you can see, there is a download button. Although its official website automatically detects your PC's system type, but it's better to confirm you are downloading the correct installer. Click on down arrow to download the installer according to your PC's system type. Click to download. It is downloading. After download, double-click on the downloaded file to kickstart the installation. I am going for English. You may choose your preferred language from the drop-down menu. Click OK. Click Next. Click Next. Leave everything default and click Next. If you want, you may change the destination folder. This location is okay to me. Click Install. It is installing. The installation is complete. Click Finish to exit. Click Continue. Play any video and wait for the Windows Defender firewall warning. Check mark all options if not marked. Click Access to tell Windows Defender Firewall to unblock its all features. Congratulations, VLC Media Player is now ready to use. You now should not face any issue. Team Software Geek hopes this short video has managed to help you download and install VLC Media Player on Windows 10. Use the comment section and do let me know if you run into any issue. We will try to help you out solve your problem. Please visit softsuggester.com for download links and more info. Please give this video a like and subscribe to Software Geek and help us make more useful and informative videos.